Okay, in this video, we want to solve this problem right here, and in the description box of this video, there are two playlists. One playlist has categorized derivative problems, and the other playlist has random uncategorized problems. And so let's begin. So this is going to involve implicit differentiation. So we're going to get dy over dx for this piece here is equal to, we need to take the derivative of this piece. It's going to involve the chain rule. So we'll get e raised to 5 times x times y. Now we need to take the derivative of the exponent. So we'll say d parentheses 5 times x times y close parentheses. And to make our lives easier, we can also rewrite this as 5 times the derivative of x times y. So we need to take the derivative of x times y. That's going to involve the product rule. So the product rule is 1 d2 plus 2 d1. I'll show what I mean by that. 1 meaning the first term, we keep it. d2, we take the derivative of y, and so we're going to say that's going to be dy over dx plus 2, the y, times the derivative of x, which is just 1, close parentheses. Alright, let's kind of rewrite this a little bit. So we have dy over dx. This piece here is equal to e raised to 5 times x times y. So let's write that down. E raised to 5 times x times y times, let's do our parentheses. So we have 5 times x times dy over dx. So let's write that down. 5x dy over dx plus we have 5 times y. So we have 5y, close parentheses. Next, we can multiply this piece by both this one and this one. So let's write that down. So again, we still keep our dy over dx is equal to e raised to 5 times x times y times 5x times dy over dx plus same exact thing, e raised to 5 times x times y times 5y. Okay, now our goal is to get this dy dx to be on the left-hand side. So we're going to subtract this piece on here and here. And so we're going to get dy over dx, this piece here, minus, we can kind of rearrange this. We could say we have 5x times e raised to 5xy dy over dx. All I did was put this 5x in the front is equal to this piece here. So I can say I have 5y times e raised to 5xy. Now focusing on this piece here, we could factor out a dy over dx. So we'll get dy over dx. And that's ultimately what we want to solve for, parentheses. Dy over dx times 1 gives us this, minus 5x e raised to 5xy, close parentheses, that's this piece right here, is equal to 5y times e raised to 5xy. Our last thing is to isolate dy over dx, so we can divide this piece both here and here. And so we would ultimately get dy over dx is equal to, this piece will be the numerator, 5y times e raised to 5xy, divided by this piece, 1 minus 5x times e raised to 5xy. And this right here is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for this problem.